Hey everybody, Sam here from Inalsa Den, and today we have an unboxing video that we want to do of the Inalsa Stand Mixer. So let's jump in right away. Now, the reason we decided to buy a stand mixer was as we kept making more and more recipes, it became increasingly challenging to do everything by hand or by using the hand blender as well, because we kept baking so frequently and also we were making so many things within the same day. That's the reason why we decided to try this out. Now, we do have more expensive variants in the market, the most famous one of course being the one by KitchenAid, but that's a good 50,000 rupees, which is roughly around $800 odd, $700 or $800 for a good one in India. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what's in the box. We have an instruction manual cum warranty card. Now for its price range, it's really a fantastic deal, but we'll be doing a more detailed overview and listing out its pros and cons in another video, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so this is everything that we have in the box over here. We've got the stand mixer unit, the bowl over here, which is, if I'm not wrong, this is a 5-liter bowl, stainless steel bowl. Very nice, sturdy. And this has a locking mechanism, so you just pop it in over here and then twist this way to lock it in place. So it's tight over there. Now this is a spill-proof lid that you can place on top to avoid any spillage that might come when you're whisking something that's more liquidy in consistency, or there's too much of dry mix and flour tends to spread when you initially start beating something up. And then we have the 3 attachments over here. This is the dough hook attachment, which I'm sure I'm going to use very much for the amount of bread that we bake. This is the whisk attachment, which you can use to whip up your cream or maybe your egg whites. And this is the paddle attachment. And this is really good if you're making cakes. It's really good for whisking your butter and sugar together. You wouldn't want to use this for butter and sugar because the consistency might be too thick and it won't be able to blend it properly. This is perfect for whipping cream or even egg whites if you want to make like a souffle, or if you're making macarons, for instance, it'll be perfect for that. We will do a more detailed overview of how to use each of these paddle attachments in another video, but today I just really wanted to quickly show you what's in the box, and we'll be back with more details. This is Sam from Inalsa Den. Do like, share and subscribe and drop your comments in the comment section below. For today, this is the Inalsa Uni-Blend 1000W Stand Mixer. Bye bye.